Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're clearing up some confusion and diving deep into an important topic for anyone working with data in Microsoft Excel and Power BI. If you've ever relied on the custom organization data types in Excel, or if you're concerned about how upcoming changes might affect your workflow in Power BI, stick around. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what's changing, what isn't, and how you can keep working effectively. Whether you're an intern just starting out, a manager overseeing data projects, or anyone in between. Let's get right into it. First off, there's been news circulating about organization data types being retired, and it's easy to get mixed up about what this actually means. To clarify, the retirement is happening in Excel, not Power BI. Microsoft has announced that the built-in organization data type will be removed from the data types gallery in Excel starting July 31st, 2025. If you've used this feature, you know it made it super simple to query Power BI datasets right from your Excel workbook, turning raw data into rich, contextualized cells. But here's the catch. While existing workbooks that already use the organization data type won't disappear, you won't be able to refresh those connections anymore once the update rolls out. Now this is the part where a lot of folks start to worry. Does this mean Power BI is losing its ability to connect or share data in the same way? But take a breath. There's actually zero impact on Power BI itself. The data types that are built into Power BI, along with those featured tables that let you surface back data types inside Excel, are not affected at all. Power BI remains as robust and recommended as ever for your organization's data connectivity and analysis needs. So if your workflow depends on Power BI, you're safe. Nothing is being taken away from the Power BI side. So what should Excel users do to adapt? The main solution is built right into Excel's data menu. Instead of relying on the old organization option, just go to Data, choose Get Data, and select from Power BI. This essentially gives you the same ability to pull in up-to-date Power BI data without skipping a beat. It's a small change in navigation, but it keeps your data connections active and reliable moving forward. If you're the type that likes custom workflows, maybe you're managing a team or developing solutions for others, you can even build custom Excel add-ins to replicate the same experience you're used to. Don't forget, other data types in Excel, like those powered by Bing, are completely unaffected, so your public data queries aren't going anywhere. Speaking of data types in Power BI Desktop, things are as familiar as ever. If you want to change the data type of a column, just open your table, right-click, and select Edit Query. From there, right-click on any column and choose Change Type. You'll see all your available options for columns, whether you need text, numbers, dates, or something more specialized. This menu is a sort of backstage pass to making sure your Power BI models behave exactly as you expect. If you're new to this, don't worry, take your time, explore the data types, and remember that changing a type is like telling Power BI how to interpret and process your information so your reports and dashboards really shine. Alright, I hope that clears up the confusion and gives you a solid way forward, no matter what your role is. Changes like these can feel intimidating, but with a few tweaks, your workflow can be just as smooth and powerful. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment with any questions you have, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.